How to download PowerPoint presentation or slide from the Gamma app. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can download the PowerPoint presentation or slide from the Gamma app. So let's get started. So at first you'll have to open the Gamma app on your browser. So in my case, I'm opening through the Chrome browser. So simply you will have to type here Gamma app. Okay, so open the Gamma app and log in with your account. So make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. So like in my case, I have this presentation. So likewise, you can also create the presentation from Gamma app. So after you complete your presentation from Gamma app, now for the export, now for the download process, you'll have to click on this three line just of the top right corner of your app. So simply click on this three line and here you go with the option like export. So simply it's here and so you will have to click on this export option. And here you got options like to export in PDF, PowerPoint or as PNGs. So now we're exporting as PowerPoint. So simply click on this PowerPoint option. Okay, so it's exporting. Okay, so the PowerPoint presentation has been downloaded from the Gamma app. Okay, so like you can see the PowerPoint presentation has been downloaded from the Gamma app. So likewise, you can also download the presentation or slides from your Gamma app. So hope this video was helpful to you. For more such tech tutorial like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over here. Thank you for watching this.